So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make a watercolor background part 3. So the things we need are masking tape, drawing sheet, brush, some colors. These are peach, yellow, orange and red, water, a dropper. So let's begin. First we'll apply the masking tape. So let's start. So as you can see, I have taped the masking tape here. Now we'll put some water on the paper. So let's do. Take the brush and water and put it like this. Gently. Make sure you apply a large amount of water, or a good amount of water. To apply the water on the paper. As you can see, I have put the color in the water in the dropper. First I have taken some amount of color, the orange color, and then applied and then mixed it with a good amount of water like this to make a solution, a liquid solution, and then taken it in the dropper. Now I'm going to put it like this in different places on the paper. Like this. As you can see, now we'll take some peach color. This peach color. A little like this. And then by using a brush, put some water like this. You can do it in a empty bottle. As I do not have any empty bottle, I am using this. Now just do it like this. You can see how nicely it's getting everywhere. Make sure there's a nice amount of water and the paper. So for that I need to use a brush, as my water is in the one place only. I have to use a brush. Like this. Now take some peach and then just some orange. Now it's turn for some. Take some yellow, and now now it's turn for some orange. Just take it in the dropper and put. Now some red. It will give you the effect of alcohol inks as you are using alcohol inks. Now as it is done, I am just going to do a little bit of it. And if you do not have a dropper at home, if you can arrange it, it's well and good, and if you can't, just put these colors a little in the empty bottle and put some water in them, and then just use the colors using the empty bottle. As you can see, it's done. If you like it, please